In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add volume bomb in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have your chart open. It can be any market or any time frame you like, because this process is the same no matter what you're looking at. Once your chart is loaded, move your attention to the top of the screen where the main toolbar is. You'll see a button labeled Indicators. This is where all the built-in and custom tools live. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When that window pops up, you'll notice there are a lot of categories and suggestions, which can feel a bit overwhelming. To keep things simple, we're going to use the search feature so we can go straight to what we need. At the top of that Indicators window, look for the search box. Click into that search box so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now, type in volume bomb. As you start typing, TradingView will filter and show you any indicators that match what you've entered. Give it a second if your connection is a bit slow, and then look through the results. You should see volume bomb appear in the list. Once you spot it, simply click on it. The moment you click, TradingView will automatically add volume bomb to your current chart. You should now see the indicator appear either below your price chart in a separate panel or overlaid, depending on how it's designed. If it does not appear immediately, double check that you selected it correctly from the search results, or try adding it one more time. Once it's visible, you can customize it by hovering over its name on the chart and clicking the settings icon. This lets you adjust colors, styles, and any other parameters so it matches your personal trading layout and is easy for you to read at a glance. If you want to get the most out of this setup, it really helps to be on TradingView Pro so you can use more indicators at the same time, save multiple layouts, and keep your charts clean and organized. I have my affiliate link for TradingView Pro in the description of this video. Using that link takes you straight to the official TradingView page, lets you explore the different plans, and often gives you access to special deals or discounts they're running. So that's all you need to do. Open your chart, click on Indicators, use the search box to look for volume bomb, add it to your chart, and then, if you want the full Pro experience, check out the link in the description.